Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a couple things that I made. I'm going to send this out for some happy friend thank you mail for my friends who have sent me some. So I'm going to show you what I made first, and then I'll show you what I made second. So the first thing, this is for Mel. Oh my gosh, what is her channel, you guys? It's a beautiful day. It was everything more than me, but she had sent me birthday mail, and now I'm just now getting to sending her a little thank you. So this is what I did. This is actually a cut file for my silhouette, and Paige Evans designed this, and I'm using the Dear Lizzie She's Magic collection. I love it. And look at this cute little wrapped wire bead. Isn't that cute? So I did that to like clip it and hold it together. But look at that. And then I made a shaker and I layered that up all fun, and I made a bow. That did not come with the cut file. The cut file does have a bow, but I didn't use it. So this is my die. So I did that. Yay, and it's so fun. Look at that. Let me lay it down for you girls. And then it says Mel. That was with the paper pack. This whole paper pack has what was it? What's it called? Project pad. That's what they're called. And then you open it this way. Wow. Sorry. Oh my gosh. What am I even doing? Okay. Then it opens like that. And then I tweaked some stuff. And then it opens like this. Like, there. Okay, so then it opens like this. And this is where I put her little note. But I gave her a whole bunch of little cutouts and cut aparts. And then I put a little string on them for her already. And look at this. How cute, you guys. Isn't that cute? So I sewed around everything, but on this part, I actually added a pocket, and I added it for, to put little stuff in, but I made a little patchwork. Oh, I did that. And then I just added it. I like when I do a little patchwork. So I'm like, here's a scrap, and then I just, you know. So I did that. It's so cute. So this actually, this little one, it was from the, I think She's Magic or Stay Magical or, dang it, Live Coat, whatever. This one is, it's a Dear Lizzie one. I can't remember off the top of my head what it's called. But it's this cute little bike with a little cat. So isn't that cute? And then it just folds up like that. I love making these things. I made mini albums out of them before. They're adorable. So there's that for her. To say thank you for my birthday. And then I made this for Trina. And this is so fun because it is one of those, people make zines. And this is a journal out of one piece of paper and no cutting. So this is with Flourish. Not pretty, and I used those flowers, my dies, and this is my new punch I got. I love it. And I dimensioned it up. Oh, I just love it so much. And then look at her little thingy thing. Isn't that cute? I think it goes perfectly with this. I just love it. So this is, I got inspired by Amity Bloom on YouTube. But this is no way, this is an old idea. You know, you can use an 8.5, like a printer paper, 8.5 by 11 or whatever, and you can make a little book out of one piece of paper. I just made a little binding, and you don't cut it at all. So just like that. It's just all in the way you fold it, and you do make a slice. So you just take your X-Acto knife and like that. But I, once again, look at that. That's a little library card. That's off my silhouette as well. I patchworked this little side piece, pocket. And it's just a little journal if she wants to put like a picture here. Look at this. Did that. I love that little tag. Isn't that cute? And then I did this with the Dollar Tree. So, oh, I forgot. So, okay, when you do these books, you can either glue this together and make it a pocket. Well, I decided I was going to make it a pocket. And look at that. So I just did that. And then I patchworked that. And then it just sticks in there. So you just make it a pocket. How cute! There's that. And there's another little pocket. I should put something in there so she knows. And here. Oh, I love it. Isn't that fun? And then I put little tabs so she would know. Beep. And then I made that one. And this is the trim from Rose. Rose had sent me something. Maybe it was Valentine's Day, and it's been sitting right here on my desk. I was like, I have to use that. So it's just another little pocket, and I did a little patchwork on that too. Oops, sorry guys. And then I gave her some little tickets. And then the top. So the top has a pocket, and you can either close that or use it. And look, I made a little bookmark and a shaker. I think that shaker, like, it matches so well with the deep romantic hues of the collection. So it's just super fun, little tassels. So I need to write her a little note and thank her for my Happy Mail she sent me. And did I show you guys while I'm at it? This. Look at that head. Look at that flipping head. I love it. And it's a cute, yeah, okay. It's just a cute little Memdex I made. And then I sewed and I cut her head out twice. And I used some, oh, you know it, Wink of Stella. I always want to say Stickles. And then I like cut out the gold so it could have like a like highlight effect. And I put this really pretty headpiece. Did I show you guys? I can't remember. She's been sitting here forever. I really like her. She's my Jane Davenport die. And then I put the little necklace. So that was just something I made for fun, just because I couldn't wait to play with it. So I'm so excited. And that was my new die too that I got from Spellbinders. I really like that. So yay! Just some project shares. So I'm going to write a thank you note and put them in the mail.